ENROLL Snow Sulfur Soap. Sulfur soap. Provides mild cleansing. Hot spring bath effect. Main ingredients of sulfur soap. How to use sulfur soap. Create a lather and cleanse the face with a gentle massaging motion. For face and body. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Handmade natural sulfur soap. Experience a hot spring bath at home. Precautions when using sulfur soap. Avoid using this product on the eyes or irritated skin. This product is not a medical soap. It is meant for cosmetic purposes only.